We got a new puppy. His name is Hoover, Hoovy, Hooves, or Hoove. Yeah, he has a bunch of nicknames, so. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got him from an animal rescue shelter place, and it's in Lower Lake. It's a very nice one, and they have puppies, kitties, all that stuff. So we got Hoover. Didn't we get you, Hoover? Yeah, we got you, Hoover. He has a little heart mark right here, if you guys can see it. My sister's trying the thing. Da, da, da. I mean, there's this other dog named Bach, and I mean, he had like super pretty eyes. He was so adorable. But Beethoven was actually way more calmer, way more mellow and everything. So we got him instead, and we chose him. Once we came back at 4, because my dad had finally got off of work. He was see him. We played inside the cage for a little bit, like the pet stuff area for them, and then we decided that we wanted Hoover.
Baby girl, if you can't stop falling, you're gonna go inside.
Well, his real name was
Come
Beethoven.
on, let's go inside. Hoover.
Come on. Oh, you.
Inside.
Hoover, come on. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you my dog. And, well, yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye.